In today's video, I'm going to go over the 9 different car headliner fabrics, a close-up look of all the ones that we keep on the shelf. And this is a combination of velour and flat knit finishes. So the ones that we're looking at right now is the flat knit, which is that stitch pattern. And then the velour would be a bit more of a softer type of fluffier finish. All our products have the highly important protective layer of stitching on the back of the foam, which makes for much easier application and also longevity. So basically, if you don't have that stitching on the back of the foam, which most products online don't seem to have, from our experience is when you go to apply the fabric and say you have to lift it back up and replace it back on the job, you're most likely going to lose your foam and compromise the overall appearance of the job. So definitely important to try a source fabric that has the stitching on the back of the foam, just for basically much more easier application. We're also waiting to get some suede from our supplier. So basically we'll be chasing it in probably about 3 to 4 colors, most likely the light gray, black, charcoal, and cream. Once we get suede, we'll make a video of the suede and also eBay links for it as well. But this is our 9 car headliner fabrics that we have been using pretty much for over 10 years now. So the first 3 are velour products. This one here that we're looking at right now is the number 1 ebony velour. This one here is the number 2 dark grey charcoal velour. And this one here is the number 3 light grey velour. They're the 3 velour products that we have. And you can see the finish is slightly different to say the next 6. This one here is the ebony flat knit. So that's as dark as you can get. This is number 5 anthracite. That's what we use on all the factory black headliners. So basically anything like a VE. And you can see over here the lighting slightly changed the color. Depending on what lighting hits the fabrics, it also changes what you kind of see as well. So how it bends and captures the light. This number 6 is our light oyster for like FG Falcons. Number 7 is the light grey cappuccino. You can see how this base is number 7 as well, and you can see that they look slightly different just because the light's capturing it a bit differently. One looks more light grey, the other one looks more like a beige. And the next one after that is the number 8, which is the fawn colour. And then we got number 9, which is like a mid grey. And that's our 9 car headliner fabrics that we keep on the shelf and that we use daily pretty much to service majority of the cars out there. All these fabrics have approximately 3.5mm foam backing, which basically functions as a padding to cover imperfections, a temperature regulator, and acoustic treatment. Also, they're stain resistant, UV stabilized for color resilience. And our product is basically, I would say, is the best quality on the market, guaranteed. It's just we're looking over it before we sell it. We're always buying the best stuff that's convenient to use. Also, the closest color match to the factory finish. And basically, if it ticks all those boxes, it becomes something that we stock, but we don't want to have too much on the shelf. So we've narrowed it down to these 9 car headliner fabrics that's pretty much service majority of the cars out there. So we have the links in the description and the comment section, so you can go to an eBay sales page if you're interested.